Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome. Ever wonder how to get your Garmin HRM-Dual talking to your iPhone? It's super easy to connect your heart rate monitor, giving you precise, real-time data right on your phone. This connection empowers your fitness tracking, whether you're running, cycling, or just staying active. Let's dive into making that happen for your 2025 workouts. Before we connect, let's do a quick check. First, ensure your HRM-Dual has a good battery. It's essential for a stable connection. Next, put on the strap correctly, with those electrodes moistened and firmly against your skin. Finally, double-check that Bluetooth is switched on in your iPhone settings. These simple steps make the pairing process much smoother. Now, let's get your iPhone seeing the HRM-Dual. Go into your iPhone's main Settings app, then tap on Bluetooth. Make sure your HRM-Dual is on and being worn. You should soon see Garmin HRM-Dual or a similar name pop up under Other Devices. Simply tap on that name, and your iPhone will begin to pair with it. While your iPhone is paired via Bluetooth, for full data integration, open your Garmin Connect app. Within the app, head to your Devices or Sensors section. You'll want to add your HRM-Dual there as a new sensor. This crucial step ensures all your heart rate data is recorded and beautifully displayed within your Garmin ecosystem, giving you rich insights into your training. If you run into any snags, don't worry, here are a few quick tips. Sometimes, a simple restart of your iPhone or remoistening the HRM electrodes can fix things. Also, make sure your HRM isn't already connected to another device, like a watch. And finally, always remember to disconnect the sensor after your workout. It saves battery life for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.